So we're here to do the count on the mini box, the worm count. Ya estamos a aparecer el conteo de los gusanos. I know it's later than I thought I was gonna do it. I actually did a count a couple weeks ago, and it was 20 worms, which is about what we guessed. Hice un conteo como hace 2 semanas y conté 20 gusanos, que fue como lo que habíamos supuesto que podría pasar. Remember that I started this box with 10 worms. Empecé este proyecto con 10 gusanos. Then on the first count we counted 16. Después en el primer conteo conté 16. Y ahora, como acabo de decir, hace 2 semanas conté 20. So now I'm gonna do the official one with a video. I have fed this, les he dado comida, I've been looking at it, I just haven't made a video of the counting. So we're gonna remove a lot of this, this is just paper, just papel. Look at this, baby worm. Where is it? Right there. Gusano guagua. So I guess I'm gonna count that one, because it's still a worm. I wonder how many of those tiny ones are there. No sé cuántos de esos chiquititos habrán, pero... Okay, so I'm gonna count that one as number 1. Since you haven't seen eggs before, si no has visto los huevos de gusano, there's one right there. Yeah, ahí está. At least they're doing it. Reproducing, I mean. Nice. There's a bunch of eggs, huh? Hay hartos huevos. First worm, primer gusanito, and 2, dos gusanos. Yeah, this is where the food is, huh? In this corner and in this corner. En estas dos orillas está la comida. I put one of those rolls, toilet paper rolls with some stuff inside, so with oh, there's nothing in here. With some eggshell, put it back in there. Okay. Eight, 9, let's find one more to do 10. Okay, so 10. That's it. So this box has 10. Now we're gonna have to start another one. Okay. 32. And that's it. 32 worms. I might have missed a couple. Puede ser que se me hayan pasado un par, pero so in like a month, I guess, starting with 10 worms, I've got to 32. Yeah, so that's gonna be this video. Eso es todo por este video. Maybe soon I'll make another one of the main box. Yeah, pronto quizás hagamos un video del contenedor general. I don't know if I'm gonna count that. That would be too much. Nos vemos. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye. Ciao.